looking for 8 summers. Just tell them to call me Susie. This that Nikki, this that Oopsie.
Hi guys, so we're gonna get started, and the first thing we're gonna start with is the eyebrows. I personally love to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade in the color Ebony. What I start off by doing is filling in my brows in the natural shape that it forms. Okay, next step, after you have filled in your brows, you want to grab your concealer. I personally love to use L.A Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffee. I'm just going to go under my eyebrows. To fast forward a bit, we're just gonna get that foundation and we're going to go over the top of our brows. I personally love to use Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the color 355, which is coconut. Okay guys, so after that you just want to blend, blend, and blend until you can't blend anymore, so that when you apply your foundation, it blends in smoothly. Okay, now I'm going to start applying my foundation. I use of course, a blending sponge. I wet it first and then I dip it in my foundation on the back of my hand, and then I just start patting it in. I don't do any particular motions. I just start patting just the best way it blends with my skin. Okay, so next is my absolute favorite part, contouring. First, you want to go under with your concealer under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, and if you prefer it, above your cupid's bow, below your bottom lip, and your forehead. My forehead personally is already big, so I don't need to highlight it anymore than it's already there. So, yes. Then after that, you just want to blend, blend, and blend. You don't want to look an unfinished canvas. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with a dark brown shadow. I personally don't use contour kits, so I'm going to go in my dark brown shadow and I'm going to go down the bridges of my nose to give me that narrow look. And then after the bridge of my nose, I'm going to go down the hollows of my cheeks. If you don't know how to do that, make that little cute selfie face, and it will show you where the hollows of your cheeks are. And it should lay right there. I do a little line, and then later I'm going to go in and buff it all out with my fingers. Oh yeah, we can't forget what happens to bread if you don't bake it. It's just dough. And we don't want your face to turn to dough. So I'm going to put my setting powder on and I'm going to let it sit and we're going to come back to it. Okay guys, so this is the palette we're going to be using by Colored Raine. And the palette name is Dusty Rose. You can get it from your local Riley Rose or Colored Raine itself. So yeah, you can find similar shades or you can purchase the palette. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to prime my eyelids with my concealer. Okay, so to start out, I'm going to be using the color Recharge, and I'm going to go in the outer skirts of my eyelid. Okay, so next I'm going to use the color Daisy. This is like a mustard yellow, and I'm just going to bring it in from the Recharge all the way in. And it's going to give me like this sunset look. It's so pretty. Okay, so what you'll see me doing here is going in with the color Dusk. It's like a deep red tone. I'm just going to go in on my brow bone of my eyelid and just make it to where it kind of darkens out in that area. Okay, so now I'm going to go in my concealer and like close to my tear duct. And I'm going to go in with the color Dream. It's like a metallic slash coral type color. And I'm just going to go in there and it's going to complete this sunset tutorial. Okay, to skip forward, I do not put on lashes. I could not put them on screen. So therefore, I stepped back, did my lashes, and I'm back. And so while I was gone, I actually went under my eyelids with the Daisy, which is the mustard yellow, just to give it a sort of pop to it. Okay, guys, so we're like almost to the end. So now I'm just going to go in with my Suva Beauty illuminating drops in the color Sugarcane, and I'm going to highlight to the gods. Well, not to the gods, but you know, a little something. This is a very extreme highlight, so bear with me. Hi guys, so I couldn't catch the final touches, but this is the final look. If you guys really enjoyed the tutorial, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be sure to bring you more. But thanks for watching. Bye!